Observe how the orbits stabilize when Jupiter reaches perihelion. Now adjust the projections on your tablets.
This is the part of the story where the heroes emerge. The people who refuse to remain ordinary. They learn faster. They observe change instead of resisting it. They understand that AI is not an enemy. It is a tool, a superpower, a multiplier of human potential. These are the individuals who discover new opportunities in the ashes of old industries. They realize that when AI takes over the repetitive, the mechanical, and the predictable, it frees humans to do what machines cannot. Imagine, innovate, lead, inspire, connect, and create meaning. But for those who remain stuck in the past, the storm only grows darker. They cling to old systems, old techniques, old comfort zones, praying that the world will slow down, but it doesn't. It speeds up. It races forward. The gap between those who adapt and those who don't becomes wider than ever. This chapter of the story reveals a harsh reality. The world does not reward those who refuse to evolve. It rewards the curious, the courageous, the ones willing to step into the unknown. Because in this new age, a single person with AI can do the work of an entire team. Write, design, code, edit, market, analyze, and execute, all from a laptop. A new generation rises, building companies from bedrooms, producing documentaries from smartphones, reaching audiences across continents. It is a world where the limits of success are no longer defined by degrees, positions, or traditional career paths, but by imagination and the ability to use the tools of tomorrow. Yet even in this transformation, one truth remains at the heart of the story. AI may replace tasks, but it can never replace the human spirit. It can mimic creativity, but it cannot feel wonder. It can process emotions, but it cannot experience them. It can produce ideas, but it cannot dream. And so the journey ahead becomes clear. Humans who combine their unique strengths with the power of AI will become unstoppable. They will lead the next era. They will shape the future. They will write the final chapters of this great transformation as the world steps deeper into this new age. The story reaches its defining moment, the choice. A choice every individual must make right now. Will you fear the rising wave, or will you learn to ride it? Will you wait for change to crush your old profession, or will you evolve into something greater? Will you hide from AI, or will you rise with it? Because the truth is undeniable. The old world is fading. The new world is forming, and only those who evolve will survive and thrive. And in this moment, the question echoes louder than ever. Are you ready for the future? Or will the